So now, as we're at the furnace edge, and just like in the story of Daniel 3, they turned that furnace up 7 times. The Father is allowing Hasatan to turn this furnace up. You guys, we're going to have the Antichrist system on this scene, and the Antichrist coming after us like never before. We are told that in Scripture. These are not my words. These are the Creator's words to us, telling us it is going to be horrible. There has never been a time of refinement or fire like this. And it says the first time we were baptized with water, the second time we're baptized with fire. And so, as we are at this edge of this refinement period, we must choose to say, like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, even if I lose my life for my Creator, I will not compromise with the beast system. Even if I lose my life, even if my children are killed before me, even if we starve to death, even if I'm thrown in jail, even if I am persecuted, if whatever you choose, Father, this hard path of brokenness that leads me to you, even if I will not compromise. And then the story progresses. And in that even if moment, what you don't see, when you're crying out, Ali, Ali, sabachthani, why have you forsaken me, my God? Like, I'm choosing you, I'm obeying you, but you've left me. I'm here alone, but I'm still choosing you. Where are you? And you join the ranks of Job, and you join the ranks of Yeshua, and you're like, what are you doing, Joseph? You sold me. My life was ruined. I'm in prison for almost 20 years. What's going on? Do you hate me? Am I sinning? What's going on? You're going to have to push yourself through that. Even if I choose obedience, even if I remember what he said is true, I remember his word in the midst of chaos, in the midst of doubt, in the midst of fear, I choose, even if I'm going to stay faithful. All of a sudden, one day your eyes are going to be open to the fact that that fourth man was standing right by you. And what you often don't notice in the story, or what we don't notice in the story of Daniel 3, of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, Nebuchadnezzar saw the fourth man in the fire. The enemy, Hasatan, sees the fourth man in the fire, but there's no indication that Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego saw him. They were not aware, perhaps, of this eternal covering upon them. They didn't know that their faithful actions were being blessed. They didn't see the hand of protection upon them. They had to have faith, and faith is beyond the visible. Faith moves us beyond what we see. Faith is overcoming our fear. Faith means we just hold on to what we know is true, and we do not let doubt come in and deceive us into disobedience.